You ready to eat, bud? Talk to me. You ready for some carrots? I have carrots today. And Daddy's gonna eat his cereal. What do you think? What do you think? Tell me about it. Now you ready? Okay. Carrots? What do you think? Yummy. Yummy. What do you think? Yeah, that's good. Good stuff. What do you think? Alright, Daddy's gonna eat some cereal then. Daddy loves his food. Let me know when you want some. Are you hungry? Want some more carrots? Yeah? Okay. Alright, here you go. Yeah.